Hey guys! If you love to decorate your denim jacket as much as I do, we have something you need to see. Today I will decorate my denim jacket with a lot of very cute and fun patches. I got them on bbcraft.com. The patches are super cheap and cool. You can get 24 picks for only $9. So now let's attach the patches to the jacket. First, I'm smoothing all pleats and then I put one by one on the jacket and see the final look. Then I take a picture on my phone and it will be my guide because I can check the photo and will definitely know where to stick the patch and where is the best place for it. So now let's get started. First, you need to turn on iron. There is glue on the back of the patch. Put patch on your jacket, embroidery side up, then place cotton fabric over patch and then iron over patch on high for about 30 seconds. And the last step is iron inside of garment underneath patch for about 30 seconds. So that's all. Now my jacket becomes fashionable, cool and attractive. If you like this transformation, be sure to press thumbs up, and if you do any of this transformation with your denim jackets, make sure to Instagram me some pictures because I would love to see you guys as recreations. See you very soon. Bye.